Hi, this is Orville Dean at the Ocean View campground. 5 years ago, a girl named Kara Fleet disappeared in the lake. She was lost forever. We're here to investigate the strange events that have been happening ever since she's been missing. Come on, tonight we're going to show you the interesting facts that we found. This is the lake that 5 years ago Kara Fleet was found missing. Hey, wait a minute! This is the lake where... oh, no, that ain't it. Let's go. This is the lake that 5 years ago Kara Fleet was found missing. Kara was a cute, happy little girl who wanted to make it big on Broadway. She came here to rest and get in shape. But then the tragedy happened 5 years ago.
Sure, I remember the Fleet girl. I was a lifeguard here at the time, and she was swimming in the lake 5 years ago.
Wait, speak louder, okay? You're not going to be heard.
Sure, I remember the Fleet girl.
What's that?
Louder.
Louder.
Oh. Sure, I remember the Fleet girl. I used to be a lifeguard over there 5 years ago. She was swimming out too close to the yellow thing, and she went up and sat on it actually, and I blew my whistle at her and yelled to tell her to get off, and she wouldn't move. She made a rather rude gesture, and so I started to come over, and she tipped over and fell back and went underwater and never came up. I dove in after her, but couldn't find her. We sent divers in a helicopter. Never did find her body. I couldn't handle it. Quit.
This is the bathroom where 5 years ago... never mind.
Yeah, I've been here these 5 years since the little girl disappeared. There's been all kinds of strange happenings. One thing that's strange about this losing of this little girl was that the birds, I mean, you can find birds all over the park, but not at the lake. It seems that you never see them swimming in the lake or flying around the lake, like they know there's something unusual about this place. It's very weird. Okay, swim out to that yellow thing.
Yellow thing? What for?
I need it for the movie.
What for?
To show where the girl drowned. Swim out there.
What for?
It's good for the film.
Film this.
It's like strange.
Another dead animal, snake. Ever since that Kara girl disappeared, all kinds of animals have been dying in the park. We had gophers and squirrels and chipmunks and alligators. Beavers, frogs, a couple of rabbits here and there around the bushes.
Now that kids are too scared to go in the water, they make sand sculptures.
Skunks, bats, wolverines, a couple of opossums.
Recently they thought they found the body of Kara Fleet, but they discovered that it was somebody else's body.
Lizards, mice, my mother-in-law.
This here This is the actual cabin where that little girl lived the week that she disappeared. And we found something strange about it. Here, come here, let me show you what happens on the inside. Come on in.
Hey, you can't come in here. This is my cabin.
Hey, just get out of here for a minute, will you? Come on in. Come on, this is going to be good. Come on. Come on in. Okay, now. Just listen, okay? Just listen. Isn't that the darndest thing you ever heard? Isn't that like freaky? And nobody knows what causes that.
"5 years ago, the Kara girl used to use this phone to call her boyfriend Monty. Ever since she disappeared, though, the phone rings from time to time. People claim they hear a voice say, 'Monty, Monty.'
You know, a lot of times people just come down to the lake and watch, like they're expecting her to step out of the water.
You know, in all those years of lifeguarding, I never lost one. Not one. Until Kara.
No one may ever solve the mystery of what happened to Kara on that day 5 years ago, but the people who knew her will always remember her.
I live.